All right, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram for free. Okay. So first you want to pull up your Instagram and you want to go to settings. Okay. And then upon clicking settings, you want to go to creator. Okay. I love us. We are creators. All right. And then you want to click bonuses up top. And as you can see, I already have $50 made. And as a part of the bonus right now, you'll earn $50 extra for just posting 5 reels. That's it, which we do all the time. Okay, we're always on Instagram. You know, we naturally post things all the time. So what better way to get paid than just doing something that you naturally do all the time? You know, which is just taking pictures and looking your best. You know, so and that is what you want to do. You can go back through it and rewatch it. And how to make money on Facebook is also a video of mine. Go check it out.